and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to create a mini scrapbook. So I started in paper crafting way back when I was in high school, and I started by scrapbooking as a way to do something with all of the photos that I took in high school. And it's been a while since I've done any proper scrapbooking since then. And one of the things that has really just kind of prevented me from doing it is nowadays I often think of scrapbooking as using kind of the full 12 by 12 scrapbook pages, and those just seem really like a very large canvas to me. And so what I thought I would do is take a baby step back into scrapbooking by creating what I'm calling a mini scrapbook. And I'm actually going to do these as a loop, wire loop bound. So I'll use my cinch to bind all of these scrapbook pages, and I'm calling it mini because I'm basically going to use gorgeous 6x6 pattern papers along with all of these some fun pet-oriented stamps and die sets that I got from the White Rose Crafts shop online. And so this will be a scrapbook for the many hundreds of photos that I take of my dogs. And being that it's smaller, I think it'll be an easier sort of project for me. I have a lot of 6x6 papers, besides the ones that I picked out for this particular scrapbook. So I think it'll be easy to also just create like a series of these too. And since I'm doing the wire loop binding, it's going to be really easy for me to bind and complete these projects as compared to something like maybe a hidden hinge binding of a mini album, for example. So I think, as compared to a mini album, this is going to be a much, easier project to kind of finish off, which I think will be good. And in terms of the size of it, I think it's going to be a nice efficient use of 6x6 papers, and being that it's a smaller canvas, I think it's, for me, a little bit less intimidating to get back into scrapbooking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this the creation of this mini scrapbook into 3 parts. So in this video, I'll show the first couple of layouts that I'll create, and in the next part, the next video, I'll show the next 2 layouts that I create, and then in my 3rd video, I'll show you how I bind everything. And I'm gonna leave, my guess is that I'll probably leave, we'll see when I get there, but I think I'm gonna actually leave some blank pages so that I can continue to kind of work on this mini scrapbook beyond just the pages that I'm creating this month. So I'm gonna set the rest of this video to some music so that you can just sit back and watch these first few pages come together. Thanks, and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye!